Hello everyone, before we start the tutorial, let me just greet you all a happy new year. So this is my first video for the year 2014 and we're going to make a hair scrunchie, tiny hair scrunchie, great for beginners like me. So since the title says tiny, I'm using a tiny hair elastic, but if you prefer to use the large one, you can use that instead. I'm going to use crochet thread, but again, if you're using the larger hair elastic, you must use yarn instead, because if you use the thread, it will take so much time to finish the project. And also I'm using a hook, so a tiny crochet hook. So let's start. So I'm going to first use the blue one, the blue thread. So first, I'm not really familiar with the right term that they use, because I'm still a beginner, and if I'm watching a crochet tutorial, I'm not really focuses on the term they used. I focus on how they do it and not the term they use. So that is maybe why I'm not really so familiar with the term. So I'm going to explain it the way how I see it, how I understand it, and I'm going to show it slowly so you can all catch up. But this is super easy. So first we're going to make a loop like so, and then insert it like that. Then insert your hook, loosely, and then get the hair elastic like so. Then we're going to cover the hair elastic first with the with the thread there. Then again, go inside, then grab the thread, and then go through each loop and go inside the elastic, then grab a thread, there, again go inside the hair elastic, then grab a thread, then go through each loop. So just disregard this tiny one here, because we're going to cut it later on. So again, go inside the hair elastic, grab a thread, and then again go inside. And go inside. Grab a thread. Oops, again, go inside, then grab a thread, then go through the loops, go inside, grab a thread, then go through each loop. So now I've finished the entire loop, so I'm going to connect it to the first that we made. So simply just connect it there and go through each loop, and then make a chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then skip one chain, so go through okay, and then go through each loop, then again chain of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and skip one chain, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, then skip one chain, okay. So now here's the last, and now to close it, so just grab a thread and then just pull it. Then remember this one, so just cut it. We grab the pink thread, so here we're going to work on the first loop here, so place your thread there like so, see, then just grab it and do like this again, there, and then insert your hook, grab the pink thread, and then so, then make a 5 chains again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then go to the second loop, Okay, again. Insert here, and then grab a thread, then go through the loops, make a chain of 5 again, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then grab a thread, then chain of 5 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, then go to the next loop, then grab a thread, so now I'm going to end it. So insert the loop again, then grab a thread, and then go through the loops, and then to connect it to the first pink loop, so that is here, so just go through there, and then so then to end it, see, going to grab a thread again, and then cut, then pull, now we're going to cut the excess thread. So since these two is kinda near to each other, so just make it a knot just to make sure, or to make it secure. Okay, you can add glue there or clear nail polish to make the nuts more secure, and then just cut excess here. So here's the finished look. Hope you guys like it, and I also hope you guys get my instruction, even if my explanation and my camera sucks. So here, a tiny hair scrunchie. So I'm going to try it on my hair and see how it looks. So this is how it looks like. So it can only hold a thin section of hair since it's a tiny hair elastic. So this is great for braided hair. And also, I already cut my hair short. So that's it. Hope you guys like it. Please visit and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.